I think the unique factor about exploration within the Ivanhoe companies is the risk-taking attitude to exploration. It is true that currently where we are in the geological exploration environment, that most of the deposits that are close to surface or at surface have probably all been discovered. And we're now at a point in the discovery of new deposits where we actually need to start looking beyond what is on surface. So the risk-taking is quite a key part of that. And maybe the best way that I can describe this is, as Ivanhoe, we dare to go where others won't go, and we think what others won't dare. We have in-house capabilities and in-house understandings of the mineral system that we're working with, and we are able to apply that in a focused manner, which creates that opportunity space to discover new deposits. Technology and innovation is an enabler. It's again not unusual within the exploration environment that we're applying something different. What we are doing in many of the exploration programs that we engaged in, we're really in the business of collecting data. And that data is both of a scientific nature, and quite often it's the jigsaw puzzle pieces that we need to string together, which ultimately leads to a discovery. We would start with an environmental project brief. This is really just to understand what the risks are to the community, to the environment, and that we put forward mitigation measures of how we're going to mitigate those risks. If I take a look at how we've actually started our work in Angola just in this last year, one of the things that we've done, I think, fairly well has been to engage at a national government level, at a provincial level, and also at a local community level. And understanding what each of those stakeholders and role players, what their expectations are, what their needs are, they can be quite different from a national, provincial, and local level. So engaging at those different levels gives us the ability to develop the understanding and tailor what we're doing. The important thing to understand is that very often the exploration teams are the first contact that many of these communities will have with Ivanhoe Mines as a company. And so I think in many respects we fly the brand. We live the value of Ivanhoe Mines, which is mining with a greater purpose, which allows us to embed that within the teams and to make sure that, again, we do no harm or we minimize what impact we have on the communities and the environment, knowing that we really may be there for only a year or two, or this might be a multi-decade journey. When we talk about people, it's about finding the right people that are able to deliver different parts of that puzzle. So we have both international expatriates and also national professionals. The international professionals are generally selected on the basis that they have specialist knowledge that can assist with identification and elaboration of parts of the puzzle. From my perspective, working closely with the sustainability team as early as possible delivers the best solution, both from an environmental point of view and also from a community point of view.